please.
A fire has been reported in the building. A fire has been reported in the building.
Fire's been reported in the building.
Apparently.
It's one hot set. Interesting. And it's during the show.
On the swing, we are inner elbow crevice to inner elbow crevice. Somebody's gonna get sick. I know you guys are looking at me. You're like, how do you know so much about square dancing? Well, I'll tell you guys why.
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention,
Once this bitch stops talking.
How do you do comedy during this? This is hard. Wow. Fire has been reported in the building. Dude.
Have your attention, please. A fire has been reported in the building.
Hey, I got a new special. I'm going to call it A Fire Has Been Reported in the Building. And I figured out how to promote it.
Thank you. Hi guys, I have a new special. It's called There's a Fire in the Building. We've been doing some pretty heavy duty promoting for it. I want to thank Lori and everybody else for acting like they weren't in on it. I have a follow-up special called Do Not Use the Elevator. Use the stairs. Boom, that's how you do it.
Look, I found the fire in the building. It's right there. Oh wait, there's another one. There's a fire in the building. I need to lose weight. 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 Do you know what though? Five Guys Burgers is right there. But I need to lose weight. I need to lose weight. I need to lose weight. Parkour. Going up fences. Climbing the top. What can you do? Just look at me or do some action. Parkour action. Balance, strength, using your core muscles, looking into the camera, climbing up a tree. Parkour. Hey guys, I'm trying to look younger by using these weird Instagram and using these.
Hey, what the fuck is that, homie? Take that off me, dog.
It's magic, bro.
Take it off me, homie. That's not me, dog. I'm gangster, homie. Take it off me, dog.
Austin, get off that. Austin, get down. Son, get down. Austin.
Dad, I'm right over here.
Oh. Man, you got tall.
Yep, I sure did. 5'3".
Whoa. Austin. This house, when I walk by it, reminds me of like if Instagram came to life. There's just tons of positive little messages. And, or maybe it was like, you know, like if your aunt had like Facebook and she's like, good vibes only, peace be with you, enjoy the little things in life, follow your dreams, believe you can do, God bless this garden. Oh my gosh. Oh man, there's so much to read. We're not even halfway done. Oh wow. Anyways, be true, be inspired, be determined, uniqueness, imagination, inspiration, believe in yourself. It's like literally like if Facebook came to life. It's just, I don't know. Hopefully this is the right message for someone. Oh, that's a palm tree. Oh.
It's a human. Where? I bet there's a human saying, "Oh, this is a really bad imitation."
Damn, I just got heckled by a kid. God, this Thanksgiving traffic blows. Oh, I'm at a Starbucks drive-thru. Oh. Right, this Halloween, I'm passing out these old headshots. That's right, Darren Carter, 1989. Woo, it's a lot of hair. Dude, get rid of that hair. Like, erase it. Oh, yeah. Woo! guys, this is Pearl. She's 13. She's giving me fashion tips. You wear a hat, you look younger. Now watch this. How many years does that take off?
10.
How about this?
10 more.
How about this?
Sure, 10 more.
How many IQ points?
10. Sorry.
Don't be sorry.
Play Pocket Party Podcast.
Getting the latest episode of Darren Carter, Pocket Party. Here it is from TuneIn.
Everybody listen to Darren Carter. Yeah. We all know he's the party starter. So if you want to listen to a podcast for free, then listen to a Pocket Party. Pocket Party. They're wrong.